Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Kayla from the YouTube channel Panko Bunny, and today we are making some best Fiends Truffles. So this is a perfect recipe if you're looking for like a cute little gift for somebody. These truffles look like Tempa, Karma, Bob, Quincy, Bo, and Terry. And they're filled with my favorite kind of filling for truffles, which is caramel and salted peanut. Oh, the flavors taste so good together, so I definitely recommend trying them out. So let's get started. Okay, so to make the truffles, you're going to need some black, orange, red, dark blue, light blue, brown, green, yellow, and white candy melts. You'll also need 1/3 cup of dulce de leche caramel, 1/4 cup of salted peanuts, and some candy eyes in a variety of sizes. So to make the truffles, melt the candy melts in the microwave for 30-second intervals or until they're fully melted. Spread the base colors of the Fiends into a chocolate mold, then pop this into the fridge until it's set for about 30 minutes. Fill the chocolate shells with some dulce de leche caramel and salted peanuts. Pour some extra candy melts on top to create the base of the chocolates, then return this to the fridge until they're fully set for about 30 minutes. Unmold the chocolates and draw the facial features and markings with the remaining candy melts. Attach the candy eyes if desired, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you're looking for some other Best Fiends videos, make sure to subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel, which is this YouTube channel. And if you have some other requests for any future videos, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you're looking for some other recipe ideas, head on over to youtube.com/pankobunny, which is my personal YouTube channel, and I have a ton of other recipes there waiting for you. And I'm sure that you guys saw some of these little goodies in the background of the video. If you'd like some for yourself, which I don't blame you because they're so adorable, check the description box because we'll have links to those there. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!